Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to start and stop an embroidery stitch. So I have another video on my channel for getting your hoop started and your embroidery needle threaded. So today we're just going to start stitching. So first you are going to bring your needle up from the back of the hoop to the front of the hoop. And we tied a knot on our thread so it's going to catch on the back. Then you're going to do your embroidery stitch. I'm just going to do a little back stitch here. I have a back stitch tutorial on my channel as well if you want to learn how to do this slower. So I'm going to do one more back stitch, and then I'm going to show you how to tie off your embroidery needle. So to tie off your embroidery needle, we're going to take our needle to the back of the fabric. We're going to pull tight. And then on the back of our fabric here, I'm going to show you how I tie off my needle and thread in a really secure way. So I'm going to take it underneath my previous stitch, and instead of pulling it all the way tight, I'm going to take my needle through this little loop here, and then I'm going to pull tight into a knot. So I'm going to do that one more time, taking my needle through the little hoop before I pull tight. And then I'm going to take it underneath my stitching one more time, and then I'm going to cut my excess thread off. This is my favorite way to tie off my thread because it is really secure and it does not poke out, it's not going to come out, and it is just laying flat on the back. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, follow my YouTube channel where I share a lot more hand embroidery beginner tips and tricks. So until next time.